Hi guys, Dave's here. Today I'm going to talk about some past projects that I made for Halloween. You know, Halloween, it's coming up real soon. Now these projects right here are easy to make. Anybody can make them. So let's get started here. First project, you need some ghosts for Halloween. And I made some out of logs. They're very simple to make. You just cut them to length. You paint them, and that's all it is to it. Do a little artwork to them, but they're also reversible so that you can have a Halloween project and a Christmas project. The second one is the mummy. You need a mummy for Halloween. And this one's real simple. I made it out of scraps, a piece of scrap plywood, and then I ripped some others up. I painted it and made it look like it's wrapped and everything. This is another simple project. You don't need a lot of tools to do this. The third one is pallet headstones. Now, if you have like a little graveyard in your yard, you can make these simple little headstones out of some old pallet wood. Very easy to make. Fourth is some skeleton heads. You can make these skeleton heads. They look like they're coming out of the ground, and you can set them in front of your headstones that you made. It's great. You can go to my Instructables website and download a PDF of it or SVG, and then make your own. Very simple to make. What's Halloween without a black cat? I made this black cat here out of a piece of plywood, and just download you a picture of a cat, enlarge it to what size you want, and cut it out with a jigsaw, paint it black, make some holes in it, and put you some little lights in it, make them eyes like they're glowing. Very simple project. And last but not least, what do you need on Halloween? A wooden coffin. I made this wooden coffin out of pallets. And it's a little bit harder than the rest of them, but trust me, you can do it. And it's a great little thing to have setting up in your front yard and everything. Well, I hope everybody gets something out of this. They're going to go to my YouTube channel and click on the playlist Halloween projects. All these are listed on there, plus a few others. Maybe you'll find something that you like. I hope everybody has a safe and happy Halloween. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.